She was going that way. There's the hotel. Run the baby go. What was it called? What did it say here?
Just this store. Rib.
At noon. We're at town inquire within parking. Come with us or the gardens.
There it is, right there.
There's the barbecue
At the
place.
farm.
Where do we park?
Yeah.
There's a parking spot. Bunch of people there. Barbecue. I don't know, you want to go?
No.
They haven't started cooking yet.
Nope.
Or they're cooking slowly. They have a barbecue show right here. They're doing barbecues. I don't know if that does it, but they're doing barbecues. They just started to cook. It's the first barbecue, or one of the competition barbecues in Arizona.
It's the 10th annual.
10th annual. So that's all for Springerville.
No, we're going to go jump. I want to go jump and job.
You don't drink coffee. Oh, was it that way or this way?
It was. I don't remember now. I've just seen it and I don't remember. Right there.
Junk. You want me to do a drive-by or? At noon. It's 2 o'clock. Visitor museum, they're closed.
Yep.
There's a little hotel here, bar and restaurant.
But Kenny, we just went around you.
Here's Junkin' Java Cafe, people. We start from over there. Cars and RVs, all building.
We don't have the cars like we did last time we were here.
And that's it, Junkin' Java. Yep. And we got Mr. John Wayne there. Ain't Pizza in the hotel. Okay, that's coming. Thrift store. Animal Rescue. White Mountain Motel. Got that on there right or not?